is when you're looking for business, everybody's looking for business.
Yeah.
And it's important to look for business and find ways to obtain business. But if you don't find the ways to make sure you're profitable, it doesn't matter how many watermelons you sell. If you're selling them for the same price or less than you bought them, it doesn't matter how big your truck is.
Yeah.
So that's one of the things new flat rate's done for us, is really given us a vehicle to get in the fast lane about being sure that we're profitable, we're charging the right thing, and we have a duplicatable process to teach the guys, because now we're all teaching younger guys. The older guys aren't working, or they're fading out, and the new guys coming in need help. And the new flat rate totally gives them the structure to understand what they need to do. So you've got a roadmap. I use the example all the time in my trainings that, hey, if we all left for Canada, will we all go the same way? Like, no. And some people get totally lost and never get there, and they have no profit, they're out of business. And some would go the interstate and get there the fastest. So, new flat rate, business uncensored, interstate to profit.